What's up, guys? I am in my car. It's gonna be like a two-part video. I'm in my car because first part of the video is gonna be about the car and the problem and the situation I've had with the car and the outcome of the car. Second part of the video is gonna be about how a blue taxi driver tried to scam me today. So let's start with the car. Yesterday I put out a video talking about the car, how I had a leak, water problem, everything. So went down to the garage today where I dropped it off, walked in. I said, how is the outcome of the car? He said, well, he said it was something pretty simple. He said, you had a hose that was leaking. I said, cool. There's a relief right there, thank God. So they replaced the hose, replaced the clamp, and the bill was 500 pesos, 10 bucks. 10 bucks to replace it. No leaks, no nothing. So I left there, went up to the other garage that I was recommended to go to have them check my car with the slow acceleration. I got up there and I didn't say anything to the guy. I didn't say anything that I had already checked it and somebody told me it was this. I just told him the symptoms of the car, how it was slow accelerating. A couple weeks ago, I could turn the car off, turn it on, and then boom, the car would pick up and everything. But now it's just slow acceleration. So he said, okay. He goes, it kind of sounds like the computer, the ECU. Now, granted, now I didn't say anything to him about me having the ECU checked. He goes, the best thing we got to do is swing it around, bring it in the garage, and we'll check. Cool. Hops in, swings it around, brings it in. And he comes out, he goes into his office, comes out with, it wasn't a tiny little box to check. It was a mechanic's diagnostic computer. I mean, it was the size of a small laptop. He hooks it up, runs a test. He said, yeah, he goes, it's showing that there's a problem in the ECU. He goes, we'll go in even deeper. I'm like, all right. Punches some more stuff in, boom, scan. He goes, it's telling me flat out that there's a problem with the transmission. I'm like, cool. We'll go even deeper, he says. All right, boom, it's another button, runs the diagnostics. He said, your car is stuck in third gear. The computer, the ECU, has your car stuck in third gear. I'm like, okay. He goes, I'll even show you. I'm like, all right, let's do it. Show me. So I'm going to start the car up. I'll show you how he showed me how it was stuck. He said, if you look down right now, and I'll show you, you can see your car is in park right there. P, park. He goes, I'll put your car in drive. Okay. Now it's showing you're in drive. There's a drive. Like, all right. Now, if you push over to the left, and I know this, it'll take it, it should take it in first gear. You are manually now going to be shifting through. He said, when I push it over there like that, if it's working right, it should be in first. If it's working incorrectly, it'll be in third. There it is. I don't know if you could see that down there. It's stuck in third. I'll take it out, go back and drive. We're in third. I can go down, should drop to 1, 2, up, all the way up, but nothing. So, guy knew what he was talking about. So I said to him, I said, okay, well, what do we do about this? Do we need to order a new one? How's this work? What do we got to do? He goes, no, he goes, I'll fix it. He goes, I'll take it out. He goes, and it'll be a board. When I take it apart, it'll be a board. He goes, if it's a 2-board where you can get to the front and back, he goes, that's great. It's simple. I can find it. I can correct it. He said, if it's 3 boards, in other words, one on the bottom, one on the top, and one in the middle, he goes, it may be a little harder. He goes, because I can't get into the middle board to fix it. He said, the only way we're going to find out is when I take it out and I go through it. So he says he could fix it, brought up his phone, he showed me pictures of ECUs that he's fixed. He brought out some old ECUs. He said, these are bad, I can't fix them. He did know what he was talking about. He seemed very intelligent. One guy I dealt with, the owner of the garage, 3 people weren't involved. Very intelligent person. I feel good with this guy. So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to bring the car up tomorrow, leave it up there. And he said he'll tear it out. He'll go through it. He'll check it. But I was impressed with this guy. I was super impressed. I mean, he came highly recommended by my one mechanic, the one I usually always go to, but I didn't go to him with this problem because he doesn't have a diagnostic. So he recommended me up here to this other guy. So that's what's going on with that. I mean, like I said, I feel really good with it. Got to get this problem checked, taken care of. And, you know, when he explained to me, he's like, yeah, you're stuck in third gear. I started thinking, it almost feels like it. As I'm accelerating, it feels like it's slow. And then once I get up to a speed to where you would think third gear can kick in, it starts taking off. So I'm very happy, very pleased with that. I knew I'd get this problem figured out eventually. Bruce, I want to thank Bruce, subscriber. He did his best for me back in the States, trying to find me a replacement and everything. But I want to thank Bruce for all the help. And everybody else that gave me ideas and hints and suggestions. I want to thank everybody. So that's that. Now, I'm going to talk about Blue Taxi. Blue Taxi is a taxi company here in Angeles City. They came around here about a year ago. I did a video on them. They were real popular when the Southeast Asian Games were going on. I've used them many, many times. Never, ever had a problem with them. Drivers are very friendly. Cars are very clean. I know because I've used them so much. When you hop in, it's automatically 40 peso fee. 40 peso fee just for flagging them down, a flag down fee. And then it's right now it's 13.5 pesos per kilometer. I know that because I asked. And every time I hop into a Blue Taxi, I always check when they set it at 40. Boom, it's set at 40. And I'll also say Mercado per kilometer. They'll tell me like 13. Like I said, right now it's 13.5. Never had a problem with them. Never, ever, ever. Today, waved one down. Hey, boom, Blue Taxi. Hop in. I look, boom, set it at 40. Mercado per kilometer, 13.5. All right, we're good to go. Where are you going, sir? I said, I am going up to the Petron in Malibañas. I said, go up the road, Fields Avenue to Perimeter Road. It's all one road. You go by the American Hotel, and it's the Petron right up past the American Hotel. You know where it's at? Yes, sir, I know right where it's at. All right, cool. He goes into the circle. The circle, is, you know, as you're heading towards Daewoo, comes out of the circle and starts heading towards Clark. I said, dude, where are you going? He goes, I'm taking you to the Petron. I said, why are you going this way? Oh, this is the shortcut. I'm like, dude, no, it's not the shortcut. You're going a long way. No, it's a shortcut. I'll go up on the Clark. I'll take the side road. I'll come out the side road. Then I'll come back to the Petron gas station. I said, that's the long way. I said, you're going about 2 or 3 kilometers out of your way. I said, you got to go on the Clark, go up all the way almost to the end, to the back gate, do a U-turn, come all the way back, go off the side gate, and then come all the way back. I said, you're going 2-3 kilometers out of your way. No, sir, this is the shortcut. I'm like, no, sir, it's not the shortcut. I know where I'm going. I said, I live here. I said, I didn't get off the plane yesterday. I said, I'm not a tourist here. I know where I'm going. Sir, this is the shortcut. I'm taking you the shortcut. I said, you know what? I'm not going to argue with you. I said, but you know what I want you to do? I said, I want to change my route. Okay, sir, where would you like to go? I said, I'd like to go up on the Clark. I'd like to go up to your Blue Taxi main office. You go up to the traffic light, you turn right, you go out by Air Force City, you keep going out that way, go by 1 or 2 traffic lights. Your main hub is on the right-hand side. I said, I want you to take me there. I said, because I'm going to report you for taking advantage of me. You're going to overcharge me, and you're trying to scam me. As soon as I said that, his whole attitude changed. Oh, sorry, sir. Where would you like to? You want me to go your way? I'll go your way if you want me to go. Yeah, dude. I want you to go my way. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to overcharge me. I know how it works. Boy, was he nice after that. After I told him, hey, I'm going to report you. And, okay. He goes back in the circle, and I said, and now I want you to reset your meter where you picked me up to where you're going to take me. Okay, sir, okay. Because he already had like 2 kilometers on it. So he reset it then, got up there. Guy was nice as pie. Once I called him out, that is the only problem I ever had with Blue Taxi. I never had a problem. And I don't think, 1 or 2 people will always spoil a good thing. It's how it works. I could have broke out my camera. I had my camera with me. Not about that. I'm not faking it happen. I'm not going to break out my camera and, oh, look at this guy and shake like a little girl, how I got scared in a taxi cab. And it's not me. It's not my thing. I don't want to expose this guy. But I will go up to Blue Cab and I will let them know that they need to have a talk with some of their drivers or all their drivers and let them know, hey, listen, don't be doing this. Because these guys right now, they are big right now here in the city, in Angeles. They're all over. They don't want a bad reputation. And like I said, 1 or 2 people can make it bad for everybody else. I know somebody's going to say, you should have reported the guy and take his name. That's not my thing. My thing is I'm not here to take somebody's job from them. I know things are tough. I know things are bad. And like I said to him, dude, how long have you been in Angeles? I've lived here my whole life, he said. I said, well, then you should have known where I was going and known that this was the long way you were taking me. But no, I'm not gonna throw him on YouTube. Like the faking it happen, and have this guy drug in front of the media like faking it happen, and how they shook like little scared little girl. This big guy. It's not my thing. I'm not like that. But people should know. You get in a cab here, it's already, these are, Manila's already known to have crooked taxi drivers. But I'd never, ever had a problem here until today with Blue Taxi. Never. And it's always that one person or 2 people that want to do these things that give a company a bad name. That's what happens. They give them a bad name. But anyways, I just wanted to share that. Yeah, I mean, I know it happens, but like I said, I'm not here to ruin somebody's life, to take a job from them. And the thing was, he was a young guy. A lot of times I'll get taxi drivers and they're older guys and they're friendly and they're happy. And but once I called this guy out and said, you know what, I'm going to report you, his whole demeanor changed. He knew he was doing wrong. So anyways, that was my fun-filled day. I got to take the car up tomorrow, get this situation taken care of. And that's my rant. That's my in-car rant, my in-car talk, giving you an update on what's going on. And with that, I'm going to end it. Everybody take care of yourself, each other, the sick, the elderly, and we'll talk to you later.